Alright, we are back to our channel. Okay, question 5c is about standard FRB change. Okay, they give you this chemicals is negative 87.2. So when it's forming it, okay, its energy decreases by negative 87.2. Okay, and then from the data booklet you got the other. So turn to the data booklet, the OC bus 20161. Okay, this one is standard FRB change is. Yes, negative 74.0. How about this one? Phenolic acid. Yeah, negative 248. So add these two together, okay, means that all the products, the total enthalpy is negative 161.2. Okay. So which one is higher energy? Before is lower by 248, the right product is lowered by negative 161. So the product has a higher energy, so the enthalpy change should be positive. Actually, there you have the equation of product minus reactant. Okay, add them together. Okay, calculation time. Bring out your calculator and get it. Okay. Yes, 86.8. Okay. Of course, now you need the unit kilojoule per mole. Okay. So draw out the thing. Okay, so obviously reactant is here and the product is here, and you have to mark it clearly. This will be reactant. Okay, write down the name, you have a mark, and this is the product. Okay, it go up and down. Okay, and mark it here. This is the activation energy. Write down the full names. Okay, yeah, sometimes they want you to write down the full name, activation energy. And where is the 86.8? Yeah, here this is 86.8 kilojoule per mole. Okay, that's it. Got it? Well done. We finished the 5C. Excellent. Then we can proceed to the other parts of question 5. See you.